Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Santa Paula local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right professional long-distance moving services to help make your move a lot simpler. Selecting our crew to assist you means your cross-country move will go smoothly. Moving isn't easy, but using the right moving services can certainly make it so much simpler. Working with us provides you access to all of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the price when choosing a California moving company. A local moving company offers many advantages, which can make it well worth the expense. You will definitely save time with your local move when you work with a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't need to deal with any of the heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you receive a very effective move from beginning to end. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can handle even a huge move in just a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santa Paula moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.